I'm currently in the kitchen, and my doggy's in the family room, taking a little nap. But whenever I get something out of the refrigerator, like celery, and I start cutting it up on the cutting board, immediately she says, I want celery! Do you want some celery? You want some celery, baby? Say please. Say please, please. Say please, please. Say I want celery. Yes. How much do you want some celery? Do you want some celery? Yes. Say please, 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 please. Good girl. Okay, I'll get you some celery. Here you go. There's your celery. Yummy. Whoops, you dropped it. Dropped it right there. Chewed up. Chew, chew, chew. Want some more? Oh, careful. You like it? Can you wag your tail? Yeah, wag your tail. I like it.